Hello students, welcome to Narayana College online classes. In the previous episode we discussed cold rush law and its applications. In this today's episode we will discuss regarding about electrochemical cells only. Already we discussed electrolytic cell and one more cell we have electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. So what is electrochemical cell means? The cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Means what? By using chemical reaction we have to produce electricity only. That cell we are calling as what? Electrochemical cell only. Simply we can write the definition here. The cell which converts chemical energy into what? Electrical energy. Chemical energy into what? Electrical energy. This cell we are calling as what? Electrochemical cell only. Simply by using chemical energy we want to produce the electricity only. Clear? So that we are selling is what we are calling electrochemical cell only. So what are the example for this electrochemical cell means? We are taking galvanic cell or Daniell cell, or one more we have voltaic cell only. Galvanic cell or Daniell cell or what? Voltaic cell. These are example for which one? Electrochemical cell only. If we take the galvanic cell, so galvanic cell is example for what? Electrochemical cell only. In this galvanic cell what happened means here chemical it converts, okay, in this cell you can say, in this cell chemical energy of a spontaneous redox reaction or chemical energy converted into what? Electrical energy. Simply can say chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Okay. So generally here what is the construction of the galvanic cell means here? Galvanic cell consists of mainly three important parts. Right here. Galvanic cell contains, I will the first one here, oxidation of the half cell, and one more we have reduction of half cell, and third one more we have, that is salt bridge only. Means if you want to convert or if you want to construct galvanic cell, what is required? Oxidation of the half cell is required, reduction of the half cell is required, and one more what is required? Salt bridge only. By using these three we have to construct the galvanic cell only. So what is oxidation of the half cell means? In that half cell what happens means oxidation will be takes place, and reduction of the half cell, reduction will be takes place at the one half of the cell only. So what is this salt bridge only? We'll discuss one by one what is a salt bridge and what is the use of salt bridge, how it functions in the galvanic cell, and I'll discuss only. Clear? So general I'll write here role of the salt bridge I am writing. What is salt bridge I am writing here? Salt bridge I am writing here. It is a U-shaped inverted glass tube. It is a U-shaped inverted glass tube which contains agar gel with potassium nitrate KNO3. Potassium nitrate is also we are calling as one of the electrolyte only, potassium nitrate, and KCl We'll take one more also what ma KCl as electrolytes. Okay, what is the salt bridge? Salt bridge is the U-shaped inverted glass tube which contains agar gel with electrolyte what KNO3 and KCl as electrolytes only. So what is the use of gel? Means here this gel used to maintain some of the speed of both anions and what cations. So you know jelly, how the jelly is there. So once you can put that electrolyte in the jelly means the electrolyte is not move with the very fast speed only. Okay, because of that jelliness only. Clear? Now one more here, generally why we are using this salt bridge only. It is a U-shaped inverted tube, I told you, glass tube which contains agar gel with potassium nitrate KCl as electrolyte only. So why we are using this salt bridge means here first one, it is used to complete the internal circuit only. It is used to complete internal circuit. It is used to complete what internal circuit only. And one more here we can write the next point on it. The first point what I told here, it is used to what complete the internal circuit only. And one more here, it is used to maintain electrical neutrality only. It is used to maintain electrical neutrality. Okay, I'll write here mobility of anion is equals to mobility of cation. Means what here? The speed of, or you can say the velocity of the anion is equals to velocity of the cation only. Whenever that electrolyte can be moved in this salt bridge only, they can move with the same speed only. Means the cation is moving to how much speed? At the same speed the anion also moving in this salt bridge only. That we are calling as what? Used to maintain electrical neutrality only. And third one you can use, it is used to prevent liquid junction potential only. It is used to prevent liquid junction potential only. Liquid junction potential only. So these are the main points regarding about what salt bridge only. What is the salt bridge? It is a U-shaped inverted glass tube with agar gel with KNO3 and KCl as electrolyte only. It is used to maintain, to complete the internal circuit only. It is used to maintain the electrical neutrality. The velocity of the cation is equals to velocity of the anion. And one more use, it is used to prevent the liquid junction potentials only. So this is regarding about the salt bridge only. And we can take one more, what we have, oxidation of the half cell. I already told you, in the oxidation of the half cell only oxidation will be takes place. In the reduction of the half cell, what takes place? Reduction of the reaction can be take place in one half cell. So both are connected to what salt bridge only. So we will discuss the construction of which one galvanic cell. Let us see this construction of the galvanic cell only. So this is one half of the cell only. So this is the zinc rod can be dipped in zinc sulfate solution. So the zinc rod called as an electrode only. That electrode can be dipped in electrolytic solution. This is half of the cell only. Come to this side, copper rod can be dipped in copper sulfate solution only. Copper rod dipped in what? Copper sulfate solution. These two beakers are interconnected by U-shaped inverted tube. What is U-shaped inverted tube? U-shaped inverted tube are calling as what? Salt bridge only. So this is the salt bridge only. In this salt bridge, what is there? I already told you, agar gel with electrolytes like potassium chloride or what? Potassium nitrate is there. So these two electrodes are connected with voltmeter, or you can write ammeter also. We can put one key also. Here also can put one key. Otherwise, you can directly draw this connected with the voltmeter only. So why is we are using voltmeter? We have to measure the current. How much is current can be produced in this reaction only. So this is regarding about construction of the galvanic cell only. Okay, zinc rod can be dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Copper rod can be dipped in copper sulfate solution. These two half of the cells are interconnected by salt bridge only. I already told you, salt bridge is used to complete the internal circuit only. Internal circuit, and we are taking that external circuit, we are connected with what ma voltmeter only. So this is regarding about which one ma construction of the galvanic cell only. Now what we will see means here how this function of the galvanic cell, you can see how the galvanic cell can be function of galvanic cell only. Now we can see here, whenever you can complete the circuit between two of the cells with salt bridge and voltmeter, then some of the chemical reactions will be takes place only. So what are the chemical reaction will be takes place in this completion of the cell means here, you can see here zinc rod is there, zinc rod loss electrons it will convert into what ma Zn+2 ions only. Zinc rod loss electrons, it convert into what Zn+2 in the solution. Now here the zinc sulfate can be converted into what ma, this is Zn+2 and what, this is Zn+2 SO4 -2. Already Zn+2 ions are there in the solution, so some more Zn+2 ions are coming from this electrolyte. Then what happened here, the concentration of the Zn+2 ions in the solution is what, increases only. Concentration of the Zn+2 ions in the what solution increases. Concentration of the Zn+2 ions is increases, then what happened here, the mass of the zinc rod is what ma decreases only, because zinc loses electrons. Generally you know the metal have a tendency to undergo or to lose electron. Loss of electrons we are calling as what, oxidation only. Loss of electron what we are calling ma oxidation. So here which one undergo oxidation here, zinc rod undergo oxidation, it will form what ions ma, Zn+2 ions only. Already some Zn+2 ions are there in the solution, and again this zinc rod produce Zn+ ions in the solution. Then what will happen, the concentration of the Zn+2 ions in the solution is what, increases only. So in this half cell what happened ma, in this half cell oxidation will be takes place. So this one I am writing here what, oxidation of half cell. Oxidation of what ma, half cell only. So I will write one point here. What are the point means here, when the circuit is completed, when the circuit is completed, then what happened ma, I will write here, when the circuit is completed, I will write the first point here, what I am writing here, zinc losses electrons to form Zn+2 ions only. Zinc what here, zinc rod losses or loss electron to form Zn+2 ions only. In this process what will happen, the mass of the zinc rod is decreases and the concentration of the Zn+2 is what, increases only. I will write here, mass of zinc is decreases, zinc in the sense zinc rod only, and concentration of Zn+2 ions in the solution is what ma, increases. So all this process happened at what ma, oxidation only, that we are calling as oxidation of the half cell only. Now what about this side we are observing here, in this side already copper rod is there we have, this is the copper rod only. Copper rod can be dipped in what solution ma, copper sulfate solution. So this copper sulfate solution means that ion can dissociate into what here, Cl+2 ions and SO4 2- ions only. The Cl+2 ions are there, the Cn+2 ions gain electrons, then what happened means here, copper metal is what ma, deposited on. Copper metal is what here, deposited on, means what here, concentration of the Cu+2 ions is what, decreases, and the mass of the copper is what, increases only, because it is a copper rod only. The mass of the copper is deposited at the copper rod only. How the process will be takes place means here, zinc losses electron. Okay, how many electrons zinc loss means, zinc losses 2 electrons only. The electrons can be moved like this only. The electrons from what here, move from here zinc rod to what ma here, cathode rod only. The electron moving takes place from zinc to what ma, copper. Then what happened here, the 2 electrons enter in the solution, the Cu+2 ions gain 2 electrons and the copper is what, deposited only. In this case what you will say here, mass of the copper is what, increases, concentration of the Cu plus 2 ions in what ma decreases only. I will write the point here. Mass of copper is increases and concentration of Cu plus 2 ions in the solution decreases one. What my here? Decreases one. So the movement of electrons takes place from what ma zinc to copper only. Here also we can represent anode and what ma cathode only. Generally the zinc rod can act as what ma anode only. This copper rod can act as what ma cathode. So here anode means what here? Negative terminal only. Cathode means what ma here? Positive terminal only. Anode means what ma negative terminal. Cathode means what here? Positive terminal only. So the zinc lost electron, the electrons move through what ma here? To the circuit from what zinc rod to the copper rod. Then what happened here? Copper metal is deposited only. How the current flow will be takes place? Current flow will be the reverse of the electron flow only. How the current will flow mean here? Current will flow. What you can write ma? Current will flow what here? Copper to what ma? Zinc, or you can write cathode to the anode only. Okay. Now I want to write one point here. Flow of electrons. Flow of electrons from which one to which one ma? Anode to cathode only. Flow of electrons takes place from anode to what ma? Cathode only. And flow of current opposite to these electrons only. Flow of current from what ma? You will write cathode to anode only. Cathode to anode, or you can write here copper to zinc only. Here what you will write ma? Zinc to copper only. So this is the process which takes place at what? Galvanic cell only. Whenever the electron will be flow takes place and the current flow will take place in what? Opposite direction. That how much current will be produced in this reaction we can observe in what here? Voltmeter only. Now here what is the role of salt bridge? I already told you it is used to complete the internal circuit only. So if you take the electrolyte here, what the electrolyte is there? KCl, suppose you can take it will produce what ma? K plus and what here? Cl minus ions only. This K plus and Cl minus ions can move like this. Then what I means here? It prevent the ions is coming from this solution only. So it maintain what here? It maintain what? Electrical neutrality. Means what? The mobility of the cation is equals to what? Mobility of the anion only. So this is the role of salt bridge only. Clear? So these are the main function of the galvanic cell only. And one more point also we discussed regarding about how we can write the chemical reaction for this galvanic cell only. Now we'll see here we are writing that chemical equations for both oxidation of the half cell. I will write this is a reduction of the half cell only. Reduction of half cell I am taking only. So here if you take oxidation of the half cell, if you see here what you are taking, zinc rod only. Zinc rod in the form of, you can take this is a solid state only. Zinc lost electrons. How many lost electrons? It lost 2 electrons. So this process we are calling as what? Oxidation only. Loss of electrons we are calling as what? Oxidation only. Now we can see the reduction of half cell you can take. Reduction of half cell you can take here. The Cu plus 2 ions are there. The Cu plus 2 ions gain 2 electrons. It is converted into copper only. Here copper gain how many electrons? 2 electrons only. Gain of electrons you are calling as what? Reduction only. This copper plus 2 ions in what? Aqueous solution. This is copper in what? Solid state only. So this reaction takes place at oxidation of the half cell. This reaction takes place at what? Reduction of the half cell. Now I want to write what? Overall reaction only. Overall reaction. So overall reaction I will write here Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 by loss of 2 electrons, and here copper plus 2 gain 2 electrons converted into what? Copper only. So here 2 electrons and 2 electrons you can cancel. Now we can write the overall reaction Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus what ma? Cu only. Now we can say this is the solid, this is aqueous only, and this is the aqueous, and this is what ma? Solid state only. So this is the chemical reaction can be takes place in what ma? Galvanic cell or what? Daniell cell only. Okay, so this is what reaction means. This is a redox reaction only. What ma? Redox reaction only. So what is redox reaction in the sense? You know already, when the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the chemical reaction, that we are calling as what? Redox reaction only. So if you want to carry out this electrochemical cell, what is required means it is required a redox reaction. This is a spontaneous process which convert into electrical energy by the non-spontaneous process only. Okay, now we can see this is the what reaction ma? Redox reaction only. So what is the chemical reaction takes place in the Daniell cell or galvanic cell means what you can write ma? You will write this equation Zn plus U plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus what ma? Cu only. So this is regarding about okay, the chemical reactions can be takes place in what ma? Galvanic cell only. Now we can see what you can see the next year, how will represent the cell reaction in case of this electrochemical cell only. So if you want to represent the cell, you can take the first year oxidation. General oxidation occurs at anode in this electrochemical cell. Reduction takes place at the cathode in this galvanic cell, and both are connected with what ma? Salt bridge only. Clear? So this is oxidation and this is a salt bridge, and what ma here? Reduction only. So oxidation part you can write before the salt bridge only. So how can you write this? Oxidation means here I will write oxidation. I will write here 2 lines only, and one more I will write here what ma? Reduction only. These 2 vertical lines represent what means this represent what ma? This represent what here? Salt bridge only. How we can write the oxidation part? So here metal, suppose metal is separated by a single vertical line. By metal is separated by what ma? Aqueous solution, or you can say metal separated by aqueous solution or electrolytic solution, you can write also. Metal is separated by what ma? It's aqueous solution, or you can write electrolytic solution also. Here also reduction, how can you write here? Metal, or you can write what here? Reduction means what will comes under. So just I will write example, then you get the clarity. Clear? Suppose I am taking an example, Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Cu only. This is the equation. For this we want to write the what? Cell representation only. First you can separate the oxidation part. Zinc undergo oxidation, I will write here Zn and Zn plus 2. Clear? So which one undergo reduction ma? Cu plus 2 and Cu undergo what? Reduction. I will write here Cu plus 2 and what? Cu only. These two are separated by a double vertical line only. This is what we are calling salt bridge only. Here metal and metal ion can be separated by a single vertical line. Here also metal and metal ions can be separated by what? A single vertical line only. Sometimes they will give the concentration of the solutions also. Suppose the concentrations are given here. Zn plus 2, suppose the concentration of the solution, how much we are taking? 1 molar only, is separated by, you will write here Cu plus 2 concentration also what? 1 molar, and you will write like this only. This is what ma? This is what representation of the cell only. Metal and metal ion can be separated by single vertical line. The same manner for the oxidation and what? Reduction also. And the 2 oxidation reduction can be separated by the 2 vertical lines. The 2 vertical lines represent what ma? Salt bridge only. So this is the representation of the cell for what ma? Galvanic cell only. So this is for what cell? You will write this is for the galvanic cell only. What I wrote first? Oxidation of the half cell. Then what I wrote? Salt bridge. Then what I wrote here? Reduction of the half cell only. So like this you can represent what ma? Cell for in electrochemical series only. Let us see these 2 examples, copper and silver nitrate cell and nickel and silver nitrate cell only. For this what you can write means you have to represent the cell only. Represent the cell only. First example I am taking. What is the first example ma? Copper and silver nitrate cell I am taking only. Copper and what ma? Silver nitrate cell I am taking only. So here we will take the copper generally. Here copper gives rise to Cu plus 2 by loss of 2 electron. This is oxidation only. Here Ag plus, okay, and gain electron, it is converted into what ma? Ag only. This is a reduction only. If you take 2 Ag plus, you will get what ma? 2 Ag only. If you want to write the what ma oxidation or reduction of the half cell, how can I write here? I will write here Cu and Cu plus 2 because both undergo what here? Oxidation only. Okay, both are separated by what ma? Double vertical line that represent what? Salt bridge. What are the reduction here? The reduction is what ma? Ag plus and what here? Ag only. I already told you, if you want to, they give it concentration, you can write the concentration also. So this is what? Copper is solid. This is what ma? Aqueous solution. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Solid only. So this is what ma? Representation of the cell. Or you can write the oral reaction. What are the oral reaction ma? If you want to write the oral reaction, how can you write here? Cu gives rise to Cu plus 2 by loss of 2 electrons, and here 2 Ag plus gain 2 electrons convert into what? Ag. What is the oral reaction ma? Cu plus 2 Ag plus gives rise to what you will get ma? Cu plus 2 plus what? 2 Ag. This is what? Oral reaction. Like this also you can write. And one more can say, what is the second equation we have? What is the second equation ma? Nickel and silver nitrate cell only. So here nickel convert into Ni plus 2 by loss of 2 electrons. What it is? It is an oxidation only. Here also you can take silver nitrate, Ag plus and NO3 minus only. This Ag plus gain electron convert into what? Ag. How many electrons it gain means? Suppose here 2 electrons are lost, you can take the 2 electrons. Here silver is deposited only. Deposition or gain of electrons, what we are calling? Reduction only. For this we can write the cell reaction. What you will write ma? You will write Ni plus 2, okay, then you will write Ag plus and what ma? Az. This is what? Solid. This is what? Aqueous. This is what? Aqueous. This is what ma? Solid. So like this you will write what ma? Representation of the cell only. So if you electrochemical cell, if you want to write the reaction, you first write the oxidation of the half cell, then salt bridge, then you can write what ma? A reduction of the half cell only. So this is regarding about representation of the cell only. A simple terminology we have to use to know the oxidation and reduction part in electrogalvanic cell, where the oxidation takes place and where the reduction takes place. Sometimes you are getting confusion with the electrolytic cell and what ma? Electrochemical cell only. So in that case, just you can recall these simple terms only, then you will easily get the idea. Here L represent left only, O means oxidation, A means anode, En means negative only. Okay, L means what? Loss of electron. Loss of electron you are calling as oxidation. Oxidation takes place at anode. What is the terminal of anode? Negative terminal only. You can take R or CP. R means right only. Reduction, okay, reduction is there. Left you are taking oxidation. You can say reduction takes place. Right side what have reduction takes place? Reduction takes place at what ma? Cathode. Cathode composed of what terminal ma? A positive terminal only. So I will write here a left side. Suppose I am writing here. Okay, loss of electrons you can say left only. So left terminal is there. What happened ma? Here oxidation takes place. Here represent what? Anode only. What is the charge of anode? It is a negative charge. So we can take the right side. Right side what happened ma? Reduction will be takes place. Reduction takes place at what? Cathode. Cathode is what type of terminal? We have a positive terminal only. What terminal ma? Positive terminal you can write on. So left oxidation takes place. Left oxidation takes place. Oxidation at anode. Anode is a negative terminal only. Right reduction. Reduction is what? Cathode. Cathode is what ma? Positive terminal only. So this is the process, or this is the type of way we can identify oxidation and reduction in electrochemical cell only. Let us see one table we have. Suppose I am taking here electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell I am taking only. Here I want to take here anode, and here I want to take cathode only. Here I am taking electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell, okay, same we are using this one. Okay. In electrochemical cell, what is anode? Anode is a negative terminal only, and cathode is what? A positive terminal only. But come to the electrolytic cell, it is reversed only. Anode is a positive terminal, cathode is what? Negative terminal only. Okay, this is the difference, very important only. Electrochemical cell, anode is negative, cathode is positive, and electrolytic cell, anode is a positive and the cathode is what? Negative only. So this is regarding about that the difference between anode and cathode in both electrochemical cell and what? Electrolytic cell only. And now we can see here function of the galvanic cell when external voltage is applied only. The same galvanic cell, or you can call it as a Daniell cell also, it is already there. So for this what you can apply means you are applying some external voltage only, that again it is connected through a battery only. Clear? Already get connected through a battery. Same applied, this external voltage applied, then how this Daniell cell or galvanic cell can functions as? We have three conditions are there. E external less than 1.1 electron volts only, and one more E greater than E external greater than 1.1 volts, and one more E external is equal to 1.1 volts only. The first condition I am taking here, if E external less than 1.1 also. So this is the diagram with E external what? 1.1 only. So if the E external you can apply less than 1.1 volts, then what happened here? Electron flow can be takes place. Electron flow can be takes place from the copper to zinc to copper only. And current flow you already know this is in the form of which one? Reverse direction only. Clear? I will write it. If the external 1.1 volt is applied, you will write the first point here. Electrons flow takes place from which one to which one? Zinc to copper only. Zinc to copper, or you will write anode to cathode. Anode to cathode only. And one more you can write here current flow. You will write current flow from what you can write? Current flow from copper to what? Zinc only. You will write here cathode to anode, you will write on. So in this case what you can observe here, the mass of zinc is what? Decreases only, and the mass of copper is what? Deposited is what? Increases only. Already discussed in this point what happened here. The mass of zinc is what? Decreases, and the mass of copper is what? Increases only. You will write the same point here. Zinc dissolves at anode. You will write that zinc dissolves at anode. Zinc dissolves at anode, and copper deposited at the cathode only. So particularly what we can apply less than 1.1 electron volts, but okay, I can apply this one. And the second case we have, what you can say here, if E external greater than 1.1 volt is applied. If E external greater than 1.1 volt is applied, then the reaction become reverse only. Then what will happen means here, so I will write this one, electron flow takes place. Electron flow from copper to zinc only, or you will write here cathode to anode. Cathode to what? Anode only. You will write current flow from, okay, copper to zinc happened what? Copper to zinc, what happened here? Copper to zinc electron flow, current flow takes place from what? Zinc to copper only. You will write here zinc to copper, and you will write anode to what? Cathode only. Means in this case the electrochemical can functions as electrolytic cell only. Now we can see the diagram how the direction will be takes place means here. So generally you can apply E external less than 1.1 volts, already discussed. Here I want to write E external greater than 1.1 volts only. If E external greater than 1.1 volts, already told you how the current flow and how the electron will flow will be takes place. Okay, electron flow takes place from what ma? Copper to zinc only. So this is the electron flow direction only. So in this the electron flow will takes place. How the current flow ma? Current flow I like this only. Clear? So this is when external greater than 1.1 volts is applied only. And third condition also we have, what is the third condition? If E external is equal to 1.1 only. So if you can apply E external exactly is equal to 1.1, there is no net reaction only. There is no net reaction. We will discuss the third condition. If E external is equal to 1.1 volt, suppose you can apply, and then what happens means here there is no reaction. What takes place means what? There is no flow of electrons and there is no flow of the current. Finally, what you can say, there is no chemical reaction can be takes place in galvanic cell or Daniell cell. If we take apply, first point I will write here, no flow of electrons, no flow of electrons. And if flow of electron is not there means what? No flow of current. Why? Because there is no chemical reaction takes place on. What you can write ma? There is no chemical reaction. So here no chemical reaction on. So this is regarding about when external voltage greater than 1.1 volt is applied, then these are the conditions. Less than 1.1 volt, E external, suppose I am writing E external less than 1.1, E external greater than 1.1, and E external is equal to 1 volt. So here E external what ma? Electron flow, suppose you can observe. Electron flow what ma? Zinc to copper. Current flow what ma? Copper to zinc only. So in this case, electron flow copper to zinc. Current flow zinc to copper. Here no electron flow and no current flow. So these are the three conditions when external voltage applied. What are the changes can be takes place in what ma? Galvanic cell or what? Daniell cell only. Now we can see one more the term we can observe from this galvanic cell on, that is electrode potential only. Clear? So if you want to take this, suppose I am taking one beaker only. In this beaker one electrolytic solution is there. Suppose I am taking here zinc sulfate solution is there. I want to kept here zinc rod only. This part you are getting from the galvanic cell only. This is half of the cell only. Here zinc sulfate means what ions are there? Zn plus 2 plus SO4 minus ions are there. This is a Zn plus 2 ion only. Clear? So this is the zinc rod can be dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Zinc rod there is no charge only, but zinc sulfate solution, zinc ions having a positive charge only. Clear? Here zinc is there, no charge, but here Zn plus 2 ions are there, some charge is there. Okay, so means what here, there is some potential can be developed between metal rod and the metal in its aqueous solution only. That we are calling as what ma? Electrode potential only. Or you can say the potential difference between metal and the metal rod and dipped in what ma? Its aqueous solution, that we are calling as what ma? Electrode potential. Or you can say the potential difference between metal and the metal in its aqueous solution, that we are also calling as what ma? Electrode potential only. So this is for the electrode potential. Which cell we are taking regarding about oxidation of the half cell only. This we are calling as what? Oxidation potential only. So during oxidation, some of the potential is developed between metal rod and its aqueous solution of the electrolyte, that we are calling as a oxidation potential only. Here the oxidation potential can be developed between what ma? Zn and Zn plus 2 ions only. If we take the copper rod we have, so copper rod can be dipped in what ma? Copper sulfate solution. Here what are the tendency of the zinc? Zinc have a tendency to lose electrons only. You can take the copper electrode here. So this is the copper electrode, suppose I am taking here. In this one more beaker we have what solution is there ma? Here copper sulfate solution is there. So this copper sulfate solution dissociate to Cu plus and what ma? SO4 2 minus ion. So in this what I adopt here, I want to dip that what rod ma? Here copper rod only. Here what ions are there? Cu plus ions are there. Here also same. what happened here? There is a charge difference between what metal and the metal in the aqueous solution. During the charge difference, what will happen? Some potential is developed. So in this potential we are calling as what electrode potential, or we can say cell potential only. So the potential difference can be developed between what? Reduction. Okay, so that we are calling as what? Reduction of the half cell only. Oxidation of the half cell is there, and one more what reduction of the half cell is there. This is regarding about which one electrode potential only. So we will write the definition of electrode potential means here potential difference between electrode and the electrolyte. We will write here potential difference between electrode and electrolyte. Electrode and what electrolyte is called what? Which is called what electrode potential only. Which is called electrode potential only. Or you can write one more again, you can write the potential difference between metal and the metal aqueous solution, or you can say the potential difference between the electrode and electrode place what you will write metal, and the metal in its aqueous solution is called as what? It is also we are calling as what? Electrode potential. Also you can write potential difference between metal and aqueous solution of the metal only. Metal and what the potential difference between metal and its aqueous solution, or you can say metal and the aqueous solution of the metal only. Metal and aqueous solution of the metal only. That is also we are calling as what electrode potential only. So I will write regarding about oxidation only. During oxidation, so potential is developed. During oxidation, some potential is developed between metal and its aqueous solution, which is called oxidation potential only. Which is called what oxidation potential only. So if you want to write one more point, during reduction some potential is developed between metal and its aqueous solution, that we are calling as what? Reduction potential only. So I will write here during reduction some potential is developed between metal and its aqueous solution, which is called reduction potential. Which is called what reduction potential. So this is regarding about oxidation potential and what reduction potential only. So both can be observed in what Daniell cell only. In this reduction will be explained. This is the what you can say reduction of the half cell only. This we are calling is what oxidation of the half cell only. Both can be observed in what galvanic cell. We are observing both oxidation potential and what reduction potentials only. If this electrode potential can be measured at the standard conditions, that we are calling is what standard electrode potential only. Electrode potential generally you are writing what here E you are writing only. If you want to write here standard electrode potential, generally you are writing what E naught only.